A couple of years prior, digital money probably implied some off-putting or hidden world banking or financial term to individuals, including obscure dealers. Yet today the whole situation has seen a change in perspective. As a matter of fact, in actuality, it is the fiat framework whose roots are shaken in pandemic unfit to endure a downturn. Laid out through mining, these advanced monetary forms are picking up speed and appear to be enduring all recessionary financial tempests. Generally, digital money is a totally decentralized cash basically founded on a blockchain calculation. That blockchain organization will affirm and check all new sections into the record and any progressions to it. Among the four driving digital currencies viz. Bitcoin, Ethereum, TI likewise include Near Protocol as a transcendent player. Near Protocol digital currency. Let's near the roots. The hardy arrangements presented by Near are the side effect of the cerebrums and work of a portion of the main tech and organization specialists, who have loaned their marvelous commitment to these exceptional administrations, made by engineers Alex Skidinov and Ilya Polisukhin, both of whom have broad involvement with programming. They made the protocol principally as foundation for advancement to have decentralized applications. It is no big surprise that it stands contrasted with crypto Goliaths like Ethereum and other driving savvy contract-empowered blockchains. Near Protocol's local token is likewise called Near and is utilized to pay for exchange charges and capacity. Disposing of siloed network opens the genuine capability of a whole biological system of novel installment passages that are quick, secure, and minimal expense. Near tailor-made of a legacy and values which are established on the structure of more prominent financial decency, and a chance for all through examination, instruction, and generosity. Near Protocol, nearing the benefits. The focal point of Near Protocol has been to satisfy developing shopper needs by opening the force of blockchain and find actual success in definitely speeding up the speed, cost, and reliability of masses, particularly in the manner in which they execute exchanges. Near Protocol has likewise fundamentally dissolved the job of go-betweens by welcoming all monetary arrangements on a decentralized framework. With a plenty of contributions, a Near coin is an undeniable selection of financial backers because of fast, cost productivity, and trustworthiness security. Near Protocol, as it were, can be known as an equivalent to facilitator of shrewd agreement and public verification of stake blockchain with an outlook to be easy to use, consolidating highlights like intelligible record names instead of just cryptographic wallet addresses, and the capacity for new clients to collaborate with dapps and brilliant agreements without requiring a wallet by any means. With a completely unique way to deal with versatility through sharding, Near Protocol has been an answer supplier by handling, discussing, approving, and finishing exchanges to different hubs. An essential benefit of sharding has been to lessen the computational burden by parting or dividing the organization into shards. This would, thus, speed up network limit. Near Protocol utilizes a sale framework to pick validators each age roughly like clockwork, and validators who have more huge stakes have more impact in the agreement cycle, with the sort of high instability included. Anticipating or giving a conjecture of the fate of a digital money has consistently represented a test in any event, for the best of specialists or the dealer local area. A portion of the famous specialists have made the accompanying near cost expectations for working with monetary choices by financial backers. In light of our near cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The future cost estimate for 2026 is $63.29. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 502.77%. Near Protocol has been showing a rising propensity. As per our specialized examination and near cost expectation, the future cost of Near Protocol is anticipated at $44.82 following a year. As per our specialized examination and gauge on past value information of Near Protocol, in 2022, the cost of Near Protocol is anticipated to arrive at any rate level of $14.88. The near cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $16.82 with a typical exchanging cost of $15.41. The ongoing cost of Near Protocol is around $10.52. In light of our gauge, the coin worth might rise essentially this year. The most exorbitant cost may be around $7.77 toward the finish of 2022. Putting resources into Near coins at the ongoing value level would be a decent choice according to our investigation. Redditor's cost expectation for Near Protocol cost states right around a comparable assessment. The greatest milestone triumph at the future near cost is that it would cross $10, thus with 5 years. The near cost will worth bet. However, with the expanded gamble of misfortune, we would prescribe Near to be a sensibly decent long-haul venture. Assumptions from blockchain guidelines make certain to fill considering the former pandemic toward the finish of 2022, as indicated by the new information report of testing. Near Protocol digital currency is the third biggest cryptographic money, and by 2023, it is searching for some progressions. Going by the authentic information, future cost patterns, and our crypto coin cost expectation, the Near protocol cost might come to the $10 mark this year with its coalitions and accomplices on a development binge, keeping fingers crossed. The ongoing cost of Near protocol remains at $10.50 with a market cap of $6,788,602,686.69 and a 24 hours exchanging volume of $879,909,917.58. The ongoing flowing inventory of Near protocol remains at $645,747,533 Near protocol value expectation 2022, keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that the Near protocol token is ready for a rise sign even in the following year, 2022, following the moving example, particularly the manner in which it exchanges inside the limits of a balanced triangle on the hourly graph. The Near coin worth could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting in the scope of $12 minus $15. Near protocol value forecast 2023, going by the fresh insight about more limited and longer cost patterns. Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for the Near coinistine, particularly with rivals getting up to speed, the intensity or the market reflecting gigantic unpredictability. There is an anticipated possibility of Near costs causing a misfortune, showing some obstruction, however just pitiful, dropping to a help level of $16.52 once more. Near protocol value forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance on the lookout and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Near protocol will lead the crypto coin realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $17.92. This is comparable to the very that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021 in the news, which shows Near coin cost has maximum capacity, going by the example to support as well as could reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances. Near protocol value forecast 2025. This year could check the benchmark year as the cost of the Near protocol is anticipated to outperform a normal of $17.92 definitely. This year, no critical variables like pandemics or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economy. It is normal that a large portion of the harm done would be making a course for fix work in every world economy. And the crypto market. Near protocol value forecast 2026. Brokers have begun wagering on the drawn-out cost of Near, following this token intently for putting away cash. Consequently, cost expectations for Near coins for this entire year give very uplifting indications, expressing that the coin cost could leap to about $21.52 by 2026. Near protocol value figure past 2026. Digital currencies specialists generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment. With a touch of persistence in keeping the expectations high in the long haul, dealers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2020.